Hi friend! Mahilig ka bang mag-travel? Gusto mo bang magbakasyon sa mga magagandang lugar kasama ang buong pamilya ng libre? By just clicking advertisement sa Facebook, you will earn reward points na mako-convert into travel. Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng unlimited data internet good for 1 year? As low as 8 pesos lang daily, may enjoy mo na unlimited internet almost for free? Gusto mo bang kumita ng unlimited 1,000 pesos by just sharing this awesome opportunity? Introducing Where to Go Advertising. Click and travel for free. For only 2,899 basic package, you will change your life forever. Benefits. 1. Certified VIP member of Where to Go Advertising. 2. Privilege to click ads and earn reward points for travel. 3. GCash ATM MasterCard with 4G LTE SIM card. 4. Free 1 year unlimited data internet powered by WhatsAppNet until March 31 only. 5. Earn unlimited 1,000 pesos over and over again. Do you want to have earnings by ranking, liking, and sharing using social media? Downloading apps now from our phone or any device will make us rich and have the opportunity to travel around the world. If you want to know more about this, contact us or send me a private message. Hurry up! Limited slots only! Avail now and be one of our subscriber for only 2,899 pesos. Please subscribe and like us on Facebook.